Dodow user reviews in 2024.
Hey guys, it's Kathleen. As you know, I've struggled with falling asleep for years, and actually my sister has the same issue, and she sent me this for my birthday. It's called the Dodow, and this is an amazing product. It's helped me so much. Basically, you just turn the lights off in your room, put this on the desk next to your bed, and it pulsates a blue light onto the ceiling. And you pretty much just breathe in while it lights up, and then you breathe out when it goes away. And the first setting is for 8 minutes, you just tap it once. The second setting is for 20 minutes, you just tap it twice if it takes you a little bit longer. And I could not believe how quickly I fell asleep with this thing. This has helped me so much. I've recommended it to my other insomniac friends, and I would recommend this to anybody who has trouble falling asleep. Dodow. Love this thing.
It's been a full week, and I cannot remember the last time I've fallen asleep this bad. I've just had the best 2 weeks of sleep in my life. Before now, I have slept horribly, and I have tried everything. I discovered the Dodow. It emits a blue light onto the ceiling, and as it pulses, you breathe, and it's very relaxing. It's kind of like meditation. I chronicled my journey in a 2-week sleep study, and I'm going to share that with you so you can see for yourself how amazing this whole process has been. Night one, up there you can see the blue light. I'm going to be tracking my progress with this little guy right here. So here we go. That was the first night. Not bad, actually. The blue light totally relaxed me, and I think I fell asleep pretty fast. All in all, I feel pretty darn good. We'll see how the rest of the nights go. I'm back. It's been a full week, and I cannot remember the last time I've fallen asleep this fast. I'm about to head out for my morning run, and I didn't even need a cup of coffee today. Is this what it feels like to get sleep? Because I had totally forgotten. Here are the results of my sleep study. I've been tracking all the nights of sleep on this app here. And as you can see right at the beginning, I was waking up a bit in the middle of the night and only getting about 5 hours of sleep. Continue on, I'm sleeping longer and I'm waking up less. And then finally, at the end of 2 weeks, I'm sleeping like a baby. I mean, it takes me 15 minutes to fall asleep. The Dodow is so amazing.
I have tried everything to fall asleep and stay asleep, and nothing has worked till now. Meet my friend, Dodow. Dodow emits a slow, rhythmic halo of blue light that retrains your brain to fall into a deep sleep quickly, naturally, and peacefully within 20 minutes or less. When's the last time you fell asleep in 20 minutes or less? What I love most about it is actually scientifically designed to quiet your busy mind, slow your breathing, and relax your body. I wake up in the mornings now and I feel so much more refreshed and ready for the day. And if you're like me and you travel a lot, the tiny design actually runs on batteries and it's easy to travel with. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so what are you waiting for? Doesn't every morning deserve to be a good morning, beautiful day?
I did not get very much sleep last night. I am desperate for help. I found this. They claim it can get you to sleep in under 20 minutes. I read the reviews online and they're actually pretty great. I'm gonna test this thing out tonight and see if it actually works. I thought the blue light would distract me, but it's pretty dim. It's actually kind of soothing to watch. I actually did fall asleep in under 20 minutes. I was just breathing in and out with the light and I could actually feel my pulse slow down. It actually works.